Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to my class. Dear student, how are you? I am very fine. My name is Anshul Rahman, assistant teacher, Ala Thanakari Dakhil Madrasa, Moilanpur, Joshor. Content: Mohammad Hasniya, head teacher, Dokhin Paranamya Husniya Santriya FT Madrasa, Tazimuddin Bhula. Thank you. English for today, class 5, subject English, unit 19, listen the liberation or museum. Look at the picture and think what are about the picture. The picture are about our liberation war in 1971. Today's mission is a visit to the Liberation War Museum on 14 December. Exhibit of the museum. Learning outcomes. Listening, understand and enjoy simply stories. Say words, phrase and sentence with proper sound and stress. Read the phrase and sentence in the text with proper pronunciation, stress and intonation. What does liberation war mean? Liberation war means struggling for freedom. Liberation war also means when we fought for our freedom in 1971 with West Pakistan. Can you tell what the Liberation War Museum is called in Bangla? Liberation War Museum is called in Bangla Muktidar Jadughar. What is magazine? Do you know it? Magazine কি তোমরা কি জানো? These are the magazine. এগুলো হলো magazine. A large thick book with a paper cover that we can buy every week or month, containing articles, photographs, etc. often on a particular topic is called a magazine. Say what kind of magazine from today's issue is taken. Today's lesson is taken from a school magazine which is called Sunshine Magazine. Why are the students waiting in front of the gate? The students are waiting in front of the gate for entering into museum and guide. Look at the picture and think every day. What about the pictures are? The pictures are about liberation war. What are the students and people doing? The students and people are visiting the different galleries of liberation or museum. Look at the picture and say, why do we visit liberation or museum? We visit Liberation War Museum to know about Liberation War history. Dear students, see some new words or write this on your khata, magazine, museum, liberation, trade, global, different, gallery, exhibit. What are you looking at the picture? Discuss about this in group. The picture about liberation war. What can you see at the picture? Discuss about this in pairs. Think about the picture in individually. These are the picture of human bodies, bones. Evaluation. Every student come in front of the class by turn, read the text. What do you understand about Liberation War Museum? The Liberation War 1971. Thank you.